We all know that Terra Classic right now is really dropping in terms of price, and of course we are scared to see this coin drop below $300 million market cap because it is not looking good for Terra Classic right now. For the past 7 days, Terra Classic have continued to drop in terms of price, in terms of market cap. Now remember, Binance have been supporting this coin massively, and for months Binance controls between 46 to 64% of Terra Classic daily volume. But right now you can see that even on Binance, Terra Classic have really dropped on Binance. Now it's about 37% daily volume is being traded on Binance. Unlike before, we control almost 47 to 64% and mostly 57%. But Terra Classic have really dropped. Right now, I think 37% daily volume is being traded on Binance. This shows that Terra Classic have really dropped on Binance. So I still believe, and I think with this record, Binance might be burning little compared to what I've been burning before. Remember, the first burning, Binance was able to burn 20 billion coins of LUNC, and later they burned 8.5 billion the beginning of this month, and by April 2nd, Binance will be burning again. And I don't think with the way Terra Classic is going, Binance will be able to burn. We are expecting more than 20 billion coins, but they might not burn up to that, although it all depends. But I think right now they still need to revive. The burning of Terra Classic will help to revive, will help to bring this coin back on track. If they can burn at least over $500 billion or 1 trillion coins this year, which I think some many people will say it is impossible for Terra Classic to burn such amount of coins. Yes, that's the word of so many people. It is impossible. But I believe there is nothing impossible. Everything can be possible. It all depends on how things work out. It all depends on how the developers are able to work out. It all depends on some of the latest or some of the newly project or plan they have to achieve. Remember, the 1.2% tax bond was actually created to help bond this. And right now, that tax bond is not really burning because so many exchanges have refused to burn. So it's only Binance right now that are really burning. So anything can happen. We might just wake up next month, next 2 months, you see exchanges will decide to start joining Binance to massively start burning Terra Classic coin, and will be recording a high volume burning. So that's why nothing is impossible. Terra Classic can still burn 1 billion coins, 2 billion coins in a single day. But right now, LUNC have really dropped in terms of trading on Binance. Binance controlling more than half of this coin have really dropped to 37%, which is quite very small for me. I think that should be 36%. So LUNC for Binance, they will never give up. Binance are fully in for Terra Classic, and I believe with Binance, of course, Terra Classic will definitely bounce back. They will definitely bounce and start hitting back. Don't be surprised to see the market cap hitting back towards $1 billion once again. Today, we are on $700 million market cap, and I believe tomorrow, Terra Classic will continue to rise gradually. We are going to the moon. And for the end of this year, I'm still expecting Terra Classic to hit a massive increase in price. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.